Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. So this paper pad was on clearance, and as you know, this is actually out right now as a current paper pad for $6.99 for the 12 pack, the 12 by 12, and $2.99 for the 6 by 6. So always check your clearance aisle. They had a lot of Maggie Holmes, Open Book, Carousel, and I saw Flourish, and I saw Balloon in the clearance aisle. But I already have those paper pads, but some were 20% off and some were 40% off, depending on when it came in. Because if you notice, a lot of these papers come in, but then they come back. Like this will be out again, like next year, whatever they have. So check your clearance items, so you don't always have to pay full price. So I had the $2.99 one, but then when I saw this for $4, I said, okay, I get the 12 by 12 for $4 instead of getting the $3 pack for a 6 by 6. So I ended up switching to this when I saw this in clearance. So just a fun paper pad, more summer kind of theme. But you know, for the price, for $1 more, I got a 12 pack, and so I can make those into cards, those cut aparts. This is also a pink paisley, was on clearance. This was 40% off. Kind of was on the fence on this one, but I saw some cut aparts and stuff I could use. I like the little houses and the embroidery hoops. And actually this page, they had this pack of paper, which I bought from Tuesday Morning a while back. The little cut aparts, but this, they had this and the 25 sheet packs before Tuesday Morning. And then the last one, I thought this was absolutely cute too. This is the Sunshine of Good Times. They also have this one in the $2.99 pack. This one I did pay $6.99 because I didn't find this one at all anywhere in the clearance. Just in case you haven't seen it. Still kind of summery, but you got a lot of pretty colors. I like it. So of course they're 48 sheets. So that's the paper pads. And then, if that wasn't good enough, I was able to get some other fun goodies. So finally got the Snow Cocoa 75 pom-pom. I think I already got a pack of these. But anyway, this is 203-8659 for $1.49. And you know what? I didn't read these numbers. Let me read these for you right quick. I'm sorry. So the Amy Tangerine Sunshine and Good Times, that number is 205-2197. Now this one, this is on clearance, but it's 180-4513. That's the Paisley Take Me Away, pink paisley, and then the Amy Tangerine. Now this number may be different because this is from 2017. So it is 189-0401. So it may be a different number, but still check your clearance. And if you go to more than one Tuesday morning, definitely check all of their clearance items, because like I said, the papers, I was surprised how many Maggie Holmes, and you know, they're still selling it for $6.99 up front, and then in the back, you know, some are 20 and some are 40% off. So always worth the check. All right, sorry about all that. My hand's sticking out. So I did get this Dear Lizzie veneer set, and this was 99 cents, 202-9512. Best Ever XO right here. And then I got this one stamp set. I really like the bird, and I like the flowers and the leaves. I do have, like the pop-up dies, I don't have the stencil or the, no, this has a stencil with it, I'm sorry. But I don't have the stamp, but I do have, it has the stencil with it. So stencil and stamp for $4.99, 204-5024, and it's called, it's just called Bird. And so you know you can make your little pop-up cards, but you don't have to use it for that. And I did go to Tuesday Mornings for this. And this is the Explorer. Explorers are back. $4.99. Tim Holtz. Stamp is anonymous. 200-2097. So it says Explore, Dream, Discover. And so the adventure begins. And I don't think I have this, but I'm not 100% sure. So if I do, it'll be destashed. I mean, not destashed. Taken back. I keep saying destashed. I did get the tag punch board for $7.49. 1965931. And then finally I got some of the Spellbinders dies. A couple of them I already had, like the spindly circles, the layered flowers and stuff. So I only got the ones that I didn't have. So the first one I got was Simply Wonderful. And it is 2047589. All of these are $4.99. So that was pretty cool. One price. They also, I haven't really seen any of the new Crafter Companion ones that I've seen on everybody's videos yet. So I'm assuming this week we'll get them in. Our shipment was late, so when I went early in the week, they didn't have everything. My Sunshine, 2047583. And I probably won't get this posted to the end of the week by the time I get this video up. And this one is Wonderful Mum, M-U-M, 2047570. So these are all A2 cards. So the inside piece, this is the border to cut out. The frame, this can cut into it, so you can use it with or without it. But it's with this, it makes it 5 1/4 by 4.0. I'm excuse me, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. So on all of these, so this would fit an A2 card. So what an A2 card is basically a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This is labels 49 decorative accents. And this is also a Nestabilities. And this is actually a really nice size one. And it is 2047586. And I'm going to show it to you. It's really pretty too. When I looked at it. Nice size and nice layering. Yeah. So I can't wait to cut that out on some metallic paper or pearlescent paper. Labels 36, I gotta check and make sure I don't have that one. This is 2047557. I don't think I do. And labels 46. And this one is 2047565. And this is labels 48, decorative accent. So this was 49, this is 48. So I'm sure you decide on this one too. Not as big, but still nice. So you can cut it out, whoops, just like this and emboss, or you can cut the inside out. And then you have this piece with the dots on it and everything. And you also have this extra little piece. So it just depends on how you want to cut it. So you can make it cut more than one way. They all cut and emboss. And these are the Fancy Frames tags 2047572. That's a 6-piece set. So again, you can take the inner piece out, or you can use it and cut it out. And they use an example with, you can put thread through there. You don't have to, but we'll just label it Floral Cottage. You can emboss with this part right here and color over it with some ink. You can emboss this into the paper, or you can use the extra outside frame to cut it out as an independent item. 2047563, and it's a 3-piece, and it's called Floral Cottage. And then this one is Fleur Excellence, and it's 2047562, and this is a nice size one as well. 4 1/8 by 4 1/2. So nice size, as you can see. Die. Put a sentiment in the middle of that, or you can put a different colored piece in the middle. And then the last one is Victorian Tags 2, and this one is 2047577. So You've got a 6-piece set here as well. And again, those inner pieces, you can have those removed. You don't have to cut with those, or you can cut with them. It just totally depends on what you want to do. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, guys. And stay tuned for my challenge next month in November for my birthday. But anyway, take care. God bless. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care.